Supreme Court Justice warns of attack on our society. Supreme Court Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson warned that attacks on judges and the judiciary amount to really an attack on our society, as she called on Americans to defend the independence of the courts amid rising political pressure. Jackson's remarks come as Donald Trump has publicly criticized several judges and court rulings, including decisions tied to legal challenges over his tariff policies. Trump has also called for the impeachment of district court judges who ruled against him, fueling broader concerns over judicial independence. Public confidence in the Supreme Court has also declined sharply. An NBC poll conducted in March found that just 22% of registered voters expressed a great deal, or quite a bit, of confidence in the nation's highest court, marking a 25-year low. The Supreme Court's authority depends heavily on the public's acceptance of its legitimacy and rulings, particularly on major issues such as abortion, voting rights, presidential power, and immigration. While justices hold lifetime appointments and are insulated from electoral politics, declining trust in the institution can influence how the public and elected officials respond to its decisions. The court currently holds a 6-3 conservative majority, including 3 justices appointed by Trump. In recent years, the court has sided with the Trump administration on several key issues, including immigration enforcement and cuts to federal agencies. However, the president also criticized the court after it struck down his tariffs earlier this year. Speaking to students at Southern Methodist University in Dallas, Jackson stressed the importance of maintaining judicial independence. Equal justice under law is a key tenet to freedom in our society, and in order to have that, you have to have an independent judiciary, one that is not beholden to the political branches or beholden to people, Jackson said. I just wish that people really focused on that and therefore stood up in some ways for the judiciary when judges are being attacked and undermined. That is really an attack on our society, she added. Jackson's comments also highlighted growing security concerns facing members of the judiciary. In 2022, an armed man was arrested near the Maryland home of Supreme Court Justice Brett Kavanaugh. Authorities later said the man traveled there intending to kill the justice,